Hey, you guys, I have something I want to share with y'all. I was not planning on making a video today, but I was weeding and putting out some seeds and things, and something really special happened. So, if you've been following along my gardening journey this year, or my gardening journey at all, you know that I planted this year. I decided to try growing potatoes in grow bags and in our front garden. So my potatoes were doing some weird stuff at first. Like you see these leaves and things. And I thought I had blight because of all of this spotted madness going on. But then when the new leaves were coming out, they were nice and green. And you can see a little bit on this stalk right here. There's some new leaves coming out. And they're green, they're fine. So I thought that I had blight, which if you have blight, the potatoes are not going to be worth keeping. They're not, you can't really save them. But so in this grow bag, I was weeding and I had started just pulling the dead foliage out, thinking, okay, well, I just need to get the potatoes that are no good out of here so I can reuse this pot for something else, not for potatoes again. But I started digging and look, these are new potatoes. I'm so excited about this. They're baby potatoes. And we are going to eat those suckers. Look how many of them. This grew from two potatoes that I chitted. Basically, I let them sprout. And then these are super tiny. So this was not the goal necessarily, but I love new potatoes. So we're going to eat those things. Yeah, these were started from potatoes that I chitted from the grocery store, red potatoes, because that's what I like. That's what my family likes. And that's what happened. So now I know I can do this. And it makes me so happy. Like I talk about experimenting out in the garden. Sorry, experimenting out in the garden all the time. Like, what do you have to lose but soil? I mean, a little small space in your garden or in a grow bag, and you can do something that you can eat off of this for who knows how long. And here's this other one. Let's see what it's doing. I feel like this one might not be. Oh, they're tiny. They're super tiny. But these are the kind that you get with crawfish and stuff. You can make those with crawfish, yeah. Um, or with the any type of a what do you call it? Seafood boil or whatever. As a matter of fact, that might be what we do with them. Look, that one's a little bit bigger. I'm so amazed by this. Can you tell? Like so amazed. So maybe I will try this again before the season is up. Oh, maybe I didn't dig down far enough in that other one. There's more down there. Anyway, I won't bore you guys with pulling all of these out. I just wanted to show you, you know, you never know what can happen in the garden. Just try it and see what happens. So I've decided that I'm going to use these in a boil this weekend with some potatoes that I already have in the house. And then I'm going to take a couple of the tiny ones, the little ones, and turn those into seed potatoes, and I'll plant those again. Yeah, I think that's a plan. You guys, thanks again for tuning in. Like, thank you so much. I love sharing these types of wins with you. I love sharing all the things with you, but this stuff is what makes it all worth it. Till next time, bye.